Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to block countries on Shopify. If you want to block specific countries from placing orders on your Shopify store without installing any third-party apps, you can do it directly using the shipping address method inside Shopify's built-in shipping settings. This method works by restricting which countries are allowed in your shipping zones. If a country is not included in your shipping zone, customers from that country won't be able to complete checkout. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Then select Shipping and Delivery. Inside the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll see your shipping profiles. Most stores use the default General Shipping Rates profile. Click on that profile to open it. Now you'll see Shipping Zones. Shipping zones define which countries or regions you deliver to. If you want to block certain countries, you simply remove them from your shipping zones. To block a country, click Edit Zone. You can now uncheck the countries you do not want to ship to. Once removed, customers with shipping addresses in those countries will not see any shipping rates during checkout, and without shipping rates, they cannot complete the order. Finally, click on Done and save it by selecting the Save button on the top. It's important to understand that this method blocks customers at the shipping stage, not at the browsing stage. Visitors from blocked countries can still access your website and view products, but they won't be able to complete an order. If you want stricter control, such as blocking website access entirely by IP address, that requires third-party apps or advanced configuration. Using the shipping address method is ideal for reducing fraud from high-risk regions, limiting shipping complications, controlling tax compliance, managing fulfillment logistics. It's also the safest built-in solution because it doesn't rely on external software. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.